Al Gore is warning about the wrath of...
Global warming.
No.
The environment.
Close.
Mother Nature.
Yes! Woo!
I didn't even put the thing.
Oh yeah, we didn't do the timer. That's
I will.
That's good. Go ahead.
I need a card.
Card. I need a card.
Oh shit.
It's never a good sound.
You have to go to the hospital. It's a what?
Emergency.
Yes.
Wow, we're good at this. Columbus traveled the...
Ocean. Sea.
No.
Water.
No. Entire planet.
Right.
What's the planet?
Globe.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, we didn't even put the timer.
Yeah, well, we did it fast because we like that.
We like that. We do that shit.